Guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make a doll yoga room out of this box. So I'm using this box and inside this marble paper scheme, so we can use these as well. And I'm going to use this used paper, so it will be needed. So you can use any used paper if you don't want it, who has lines, you can use it. And glue. So first I will start by cutting here. Yep. And this window will also be needed, so we are going to use this window as well. This window, cut these things here. And if you don't have these brick papers, you can just print them like I did. And on the next side, cut a line in the middle. This will be our yoga room. So now here we have extra lines, so I'll cut that because we don't need that. Oopsies. Boom. So it will be something like this, and this marble paper will be used for floor. Okay guys, so now if you see, we have little tabs here, so we are going to glue it over here. I have my glue. So now and glue. And do the same over here. Now I glued it and fold it right here like this. Okay, so now it's just like a yoga room. And now we are going to cover it with this brick paper and clean the sides. Now we'll glue this brick paper. We'll apply this brick paper everywhere on the wall. Now I'll stick the paper, fold it and cut off the excess and glue it in place. I'm applying glue with my hand because I want it to be nice and even. We don't want any wrinkles because it's not a wrinkle background, it's a brick background. Yup. Now glue this in place. So now I am going to put the wallpaper up here. Just put glue. So now I am going to glue it. I have covered everything and it's nice, but we have to deal with this window. So I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to cut everything, and now we will see how it looks with the window. Now put glue on it and stick it. so it will be nice, neat. And do the same with all. Now this window is nice and neat. You need a window in a yoga room. So now we are going to cover the floor with that marble paper. Okay, so now we are going to stick this over here. Okay, so now this is the rough paper and I cut a strip from it, and now I'm gonna glue it on the corner so it will look like, I don't know, but I watched the channel My Froggy Stuff and I learned she puts here, so I'm also putting it. You can see in your house you have this thing everywhere. So now, so I have my box of fun things and we'll decorate it. So I have made some plants. You just take a jar bottle and cut these leaf shapes out of green paper and you just made some plants. I'm going to put one here on this corner and one right here. Okay, so I just made these plants. You can use the caps of those to make the plants. This in one corner and this in one corner, and you made it. So now our doll can come in, and I just made a small book and wrote yoga on it. That's cute. And I had an old glue, small Fevicol bottle. If you have, you can cut it and then you can store your mats. I made this from paper. Let me breathe in for some fresh air. Now let me learn some new yoga. Okay. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow me on Instagram at CraftQueen24. Thank you. Oh, I have to get back to my yoga poses.